Hey everyone, this is Pranay, and today we'll see our exercise number 9 in database systems. And this exercise aims to create index and sequences. These are the other database objects, and we have some of the questions here, exercise questions. So we'll try to answer these questions. So our first question is to create an index on the city column of the customer table. Okay, so let me first connect to my database. I think I'm already connected, I guess. Okay. So let's create that index. So syntax for that is create index. You give an index name on a table and the column name, and the index is created. Okay, now next question is create index on order ID column of the order table. The same syntax. Here we are using order ID. Index is not created here. As you can see, order ID is reference to the order ID of the customer table. Hence, we cannot make index of this particular column. Okay. Now third question is create a composite index of the product table for the attributes product ID and product description. So here we have to put two columns, that is create index, index 3 on product ID, product description. Let's create this index. Now the index is created. The fourth question is to create a functional index on the customer table on attribute CNAME, that is the customer name, and the function is uppercase. So here I'm using the uppercase function, and this is the syntax for the functional index. Let's copy this and try this out. And here also the index is created. Now a fifth question is to create a bitmap index on the gender field of the supplier table. Okay, so the syntax for creating a bitmap index is create bitmap index on supplier for gender, because gender has two attributes, male and female. So for that, yeah, see, as you can see, the bitmap feature is not enabled in my Oracle. It is enabled in Enterprise Edition. Mine is a standard edition, so this won't run on this. I can't enable this case. So here I can't drop the index file because as per the sixth question, drop the last created index, so I can't drop it. For showing you how to drop an index, I will just drop the index 1, how to drop an index. Okay, let me drop index. The syntax for the dropping is drop index index name, and the index is drop. Now let us create a sequence. Okay, this is another database object. Now we'll create a sequence. Now the syntax for creating a sequence is create sequence. They give a sequence name, and these are some of the things that you have mentioned. First thing is increment by 1, whatever value you want. Start with, give some value to start with. Give a maximum value so that it does not go overboard. And if you're caching, you can cache, and the other option for is cache n is the for how many digits you want to cache it, and if you want to cycle it or you don't want to cycle it, depends on your choice. So let us create a sequence, and the sequence is created. To check the sequence, let us try to insert some values. Okay, as you can see here, I've created the insert query. In the insert query, I'm using the sequence object s1, that is s1 dot next value. So here I'm using, it starts with 120 and the next value will be of 121, and subsequently it will be changed. That's how you can auto generate these sequences. So let's try to insert some value and later we check it. Okay, so first, okay, the sequence is created, and now let's now check it. Now the row is created. Let me insert one more value, row, just to see the difference in it. Okay, I've inserted this row also, and now let us see the order table. Okay, as you can see, it starts from 120. Okay, and there is also 121. in this row. It's not arranged in any order, but as you can see, it was inserted in a sequential manner. Now if I again try to insert this same thing, let me change this, what do you call, the date, just to see the difference. I'm making it 18th November 2017, and yeah, let it be the same value. I'll insert this value. Now a new row is created. Let us check our order table again. Okay, as you can see, it is also there. 120, it starts with 120, then it went to 121 with the next insert query, and with the next insert query it went to 122. So we can directly auto generate these order IDs, and that's the benefit of using a sequence. I hope you have learned the concept of index and sequencing. Index is basically used to to get a data faster, because this will be kept in the main memory, and where the index will be kept in the main memory. So if a portion of the database will be inside that main memory, and you can access your data faster comparatively. But it is not useful while updating a table, because every time you update a table, the index table has to be updated, and that is very cumbersome. That is the problem with the index. And sequence, as I told you, it's a object that is used for giving a sequence. You can increment it, decrement it, you can change the increment value to 5, depends upon your choice. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it, and hope you have learned something from this video. Bye bye.